1. Who does that car belong to? 2. Excuse me, but shouldn't you say to whom does that car belong? 3. That's another way of saying it. I'm talking about the car that's parked over there. 4. Who do you think would have a car like that? 5. Well, I should say someone for whom money is no object. 6. The car to which you are referring happens to be mine. 7. That's interesting. We are talking about the car that has a red roof. 8. Yes, it's the best car that I've ever had. Why do you ask? 9. Well, I think you ought to speak to that man who's standing with a notebook in front of the car. 10. Oh no. It's a traffic warden putting a parking ticket on my car and I haven't any money to pay the fine which I'll have to pay.